Good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning we are doing a walk-around startup and a drive video on one gorgeous 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass Convertible. Now this car is what I would say a Resto Mod. It has a mile-built 400 engine in it, automatic transmission with the gear vendor overdrive, quick ratio power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes, Willwood calipers, Holley Sniper fuel injection, of course 67 is the only year for the louvered hood. Very, very nice car. Aluminum intake. Of course, the Sniper EFI, serpentine pulley setup, PowerMaster starter, PowerMaster alternator, Hydro Boost brakes, aluminum radiator, dual electric fans, the correct rally wheels, Coker Redline tires, leather interior, adjustable coilovers on all four corners, stainless mufflers, I should say, Dakota digital dash, tilt steering column, factory center console with a nice little cup holder addition up top, all chrome console. Interior in this car is beautiful. Back seat, rear panels, carpeting, dashboard, door jambs. Does have shoulder harnesses, not just the lap belts. Retro radio. There's a stack of paperwork on this car. I'll show it to you in the trunk here. Just an ungodly amount of paperwork. Rear mounted battery. Check out all this paperwork. Just tons and tons and tons. He laminated, put all of it in nice little plastic folders. It's a 9.5 to 1 compression engine. 330, 350 horse, four-wheel Willwood disc brakes, Viking shock coilovers, Be Cool radiator and fans, PowerMaster alternator and starter, painless wiring, looks like ARP studs in the engine, just all kinds of paperwork that goes with this thing. Cutlass assembly manual, wire diagram, matching spare rim and jack instructions. The paint and body on this car are absolutely gorgeous. The chrome and bright work looks great as well. Check out the jams. All new rubber seals. Man, they spent a ton of money on this car. It is badged a 442, and if you decode the VIN, it does not come back to a 442, it comes back to a regular Cutlass, but I don't think that's really gonna make too much of a difference on this car. Check out that under the hood insulator. Just absolutely gorgeous. This is one quality car. The paint on it is super slick. Paint coat is right along with it. Door gaps, panel fitment. Just gorgeous. Check down the sides. There's no bubbles, no blisters that I see anywhere. No major rock chips, dings, scrapes, scratches, nothing like that. It does have a couple little, you see this? 1, 2 little rock chips. I think I've seen one more. And it's got one little rock chip right here. Those are easily touched in. That's, you know, when you drive these cars, you're gonna get a chip or two here and there. jam sill plates, dashboard, power top, visors, door panels. Car is very, very nice underneath as well. I will put it up on the hoist and take some undercarriage shots for you guys in just a little while. Start it up. We'll check the interior functions quick, and then we'll go drive it. It's got a billet gas pedal, brake pedal, and e-brake pedal cover. Here's the key. Has not been running yet today. It was sitting in here last night, so left turn, right turn. Sounds awesome. It's got the red light there is for the gear vendor. It's got two dimmer switches on the floor. One's for the bright headlights and one's for the gear vendor. Radio works, power top works. Top on it is gorgeous, gorgeous black top. Blower motor works. It says Ramrod right there. That's pretty cool. Tail lights, license plate light, turn signal. What a beautiful ride. 67 Oldsmobile. Check out how crystal clear the lights are, the chrome bumper. The finish is just gorgeous on this car. It's got one heck of a look to it. It's got LED dome lights. They're all working. Turn the dim headlights on for you quick. There we go. Left turn signal, dim headlights. Heard the AC compressor kick on there. Just one fantastic car. You don't find them like this every day. Something that somebody really takes their time on, really cares about. You can tell that. You look at the quality of the car, you look at all the paperwork that comes with the build. The interior is gorgeous. Leather seats. Works perfect. 75 mph down the road, 200 RPMs. What a gorgeous car. All the gauges work. The only thing I flipped on the car that wasn't, oh, yeah they are. I thought I tried them earlier and I thought thought they were all working. I say the only thing I tried that didn't work was the wipers. They're working. Nice steering wheel, leather wrap, polished steering wheel, Oldsmobile center horn button. If you're looking for a quality Oldsmobile, don't look any further because, man, this car is just absolutely sweet. The heater works too. I got the heat on in here. Dashboard's in great shape. Just one gorgeous car. All the glass in this car is in great shape too, and all the chrome mirrors, door handles, inside and out is just beautiful. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Listen to that baby, your uncle. Man, look how slick that car is. Sits nice, looks great. Wow, what a machine. Right up to 80 mile an hour, you heard it. Second gear scratch. Man, this car runs good too, folks. All the gauges are just like they're supposed to be. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. KinionAuto.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you never miss another great quality collector car. Thanks for watching my videos, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you.